to this week's video where I reuse Dollar Tree products to make a sandalwood blue themed candle. I wanted to put the candlesticks at Dollar Tree to the test and see if it was possible to reuse them, where I will add a Dollar Tree fragrance scent and a Dollar Tree Plus dye for color. And then finally, see what the burn time would be from the candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. Could this be a good gift idea? Is it more affordable to reuse candlesticks at the Dollar Tree than just buying the wax separately? If you have tried this before for yourself, what are your opinions? Leave them in the comments below. If you're like me and like Dollar Tree reviews and crafting, hit the subscribe button below. I put out new videos every Wednesday. I'm always stopping at the Dollar Tree and those Dollar Tree Plus stores to see what crafts they have to make decor with or gifts with. I also put up Dollar Tree walkthroughs too. You can see what they have seasonally without even stepping out of your house. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell and you will be notified of all of the Dollar Tree content here. In my final review, I would say yes to the candlesticks. They do work if you wanted to reuse them. Practically, I don't know what would be cheaper in the long run. A wax bag on Amazon for £2 is about $10 to $12, where I spent $5 on these 4 packages of 8 candlesticks. I also don't feel like the Dollar Tree candlesticks really took in the fragrance scent I added, which maybe I didn't put enough in, but I feel like I did, so maybe the wax didn't hold the scent well. Would I do this again? Maybe in a last minute pinch if I needed it, but otherwise I will stick to purchasing the wax in bulk for my candles. Thank you guys for watching this Dollar Tree review, and remember to subscribe to watch more reviews, crafts, or cleaning from the Dollar Tree products. See ya!